18 long brush. The 18-inch long brush is the perfect size for brushing off debris from your pizza stone while it is in your grill or oven. Palm Stalk Fiber Bristles. The Palm Stalk Fiber Bristles are tough on caked-on messes and provide a safe and natural alternative to steel wire bristles. Ergonomic Handle. The 13-inch long handle features a rubberized grip and ergonomically shaped handle to keep your hand comfortable and far from the mess while the brush cleans up. Stainless Steel Scraper. The brush features a metal scraper with notched ends for cleaning and removing tough debris from the stone. Durable and easy to clean. The brush's durable design means it can withstand the toughest scraping use after use. Simply rinse under water and scrub with a sponge if necessary, and it's ready to use again and again! Care instructions: hand wash. Clean debris from your pizza stone safely and effectively with the Cuisinart Pizza Stone Cleaning Brush. Once you're done making pizzas, simply brush the pizza stone gently with your brush and you will be good to go. The palm stalk fibers of the cleaning brush work perfectly for the surface of the corduroy pizza stone. The edge also features a steel scraper to help break up baked-on mess. This is the best tool for safely and effectively cleaning your pizza stone and getting it ready for future use. Top reviews from the United States. Great tool. This brush is great for sweeping your stone. I pull out the oven rack, hold a rimmed cookie sheet slightly under and in front of the stone, and brush the semolina, cornmeal or flour onto the cookie sheet. It does leave behind a fine dust because the plant-derived bristles are quite thick and stiff, I presume to avoid having them melt, scorch or catch fire. If the stone is still hot and I want to bake again right now, I brush it then quickly swipe it with an old dry kitchen towel. If the stone is cool, I brush it then wipe it clean with damp paper towels. This brush is just the right size for stones used in a home oven, and is easier to store than the bulky brushes intended for commercial or wood-fired ovens.